hit. I'm here relatively early, so we're not seeing a lot of activity, but there is activity. So let's pop the lid and see what we get. Okay, so at some point the hive started being attached to the lid, but then it must have got too hot, which doesn't make sense given concrete, but it broke off and it fell. And so now it's down there. They're reattaching and rebuilding, but that's very unusual. So, oh well, this will be fun. Okie dokes, so the brood that's there is all dead, unfortunately. Queen dropped and the bees followed her. She's down there. So I'm just going to back them into an empty box and then give them some drawn comb when I get back to quarantine to give them a real boost and feed them up. They've had a few too many accidents in establishing this hive and they need some assistance. And we are now bivacking. So the comb would have broken away when the Telstra guy lifted the lid, only to discover the bees. And then obviously reported them, and we are now pulling them out. But week we'll get the huge majority of them and then get them to quarantine and do some work with them. Queen's now in the box, too far down to queen cager, but she's a nice dark queen. We'll just spend a bit of time building the hive up though. And it looks like we've got all the bees in the box. So we'll pack up if any have missed now. They missed the boat.